much foam!
Buenos dias, everyone, and welcome to Punta Cana Adventures here on Adventures with Parker. Today we are going to be headed over to the beach to do some kayaking and just some chilling. We are still very sunburnt from yesterday, but we're gonna brave the sun and use lots of sunscreen and just be very careful that we're not spending too much time in the heat.
Yes, avoiding more burn.
But yeah, it's gonna be a good day, and later on today we're gonna go to the foam party at one of the pools, which will be lots of fun. And then in the evening we're just probably gonna go to the Social Plaza and do a lot of fun things. So without any further ado, sit back, hold on tight, and let the adventures begin. I just got back in from kayaking, which was a lot of fun. I got to live my Moana Disney Princess fantasy. Except I got lost and I ended up at the water center for the wrong resort, so I ended up having to drag my kayak all the way along the beach. With the waves coming in, it was so hard, but Victoria came and saved me, thank goodness. But yeah, we're back on the shore now, just chilling. It's lots of fun. Alright, we are at the foam party. It's over there, we're gonna head over. Alright, the foam party was so much fun, and now we're just taking some time to chillax before our a la carte tonight. We're planning on going to Under the Sea, which is a seafood restaurant, but they also have other things like burgers, and I believe they have chicken and stuff as well. So yeah, very excited for that. Alright, we are on our way to Under the Sea, which is the seafood restaurant here. Alright, so we just got our drinks. You think it's tequila? I've yet to try it. But I'm just fascinated by how blue this water looks. Alright, we'll try it. It might be tequila. I'm not sure. I'm not really up on all my beverages, but I think so. It's good though. It's like sweet, so it's not like strong, bad tequila. It's good. So we're actually still not sure what was in that drink, There was definitely some blue curacao, but we're still not sure if there was tequila in there or not. But one thing we do know for certain, that was one good meal. After dinner, we made our way over to the Social Plaza, where we got to see the Circus Show. freaky but cool. The circus show was really cool and so much fun, and it was the perfect way to end off yet another day at the resort. There's still a lot more to come, so be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, and all that wonderful YouTube stuff. I know I haven't been the best at sticking to a release schedule, but I'm going to try to release Punta Cana Adventures videos on Sundays. Again, knowing my schedule, it could be a few days late, so just be sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Until then, just remember, the adventure is calling. No comment?
No.
Okay.